Have you ever added a new feature and suddenly your working code crashed? That usually happens when we break Liskov substitution principle. Let's take a real-time example of e-commerce app. Here we have a payment system. Initially all payments are online. For that, first we will make a payment class. Then I will add method pay using a virtual keyword to extend or modify my base class to child class. Cash on delivery will inherit payments. An override keyword is used in a pay method to extend the base class to child class. When we add cash on delivery, the problem starts when the class cannot do what the parent class promises. Our cash on delivery class cannot do online payment. So when we replace payment with cash on delivery, the system crashes. That's why I've used throw exception. This means the child class cannot substitute the parent class. Here, Liskov principle is broken. Order service class is used to process payment. It works for all payment types, but here it breaks for COD, cash on delivery. In main method, I will call the methods of the payment class. As expected, we have got an exception. So instead of forcing all payments to behave the same, we create a common contract. Every payment method agrees on what to do, but decides how to do it. Now I will apply LSP on my code. This interface is the contract. It says every payment must implement pay. Online payment follows the contract and process payment immediately. Here in cash on delivery also follows the same contract but changes the internal behavior without throwing the error. Here order service doesn't care which payment we use. It trusts the contract. It take payment from iPayment. Now any payment method can replace another without breaking the system. No exception, no if else, no special checks. That's why we use Liskov substitution principle. In LSP, a child class should be able to replace its parent class without breaking the application. If replacing a parent with a child causes error, LSP is violated. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.